Hi, and welcome back to Andrew's Answers. We're going to go over a question that I get all the time. I get it from my clients as soon as I win their initial application or if I'm able to reinstate their benefits upon an appeal. And the question is, how long will I continue to get these benefits for? And of course, it depends on what your policy says. However, I've seen some trends with this, and this is one of the more confident trends. I would say a little more than half of the policies end at age 65. So if your benefits began when you were younger than 60, they almost always go to age 65. The other half, or maybe a little bit less than half, will go to your Social Security normal retirement age. You're going to see that acronym quite often. An acronym for Social Security normal retirement age. And you're probably asking, what is my normal retirement age? Well, if you're asking me, someone born in 1983, my normal retirement age is going to be 67, but chances are they're probably going to get raised over the years. So I'm going to go over some of the ages and categories to help you understand. So if you were born before 1943, your normal retirement age is probably going to be somewhere between 65 and 66. And you can reach out to me if you want to know exactly what your normal retirement age is, and I can do a little math for you. However, I think more often I'm probably going to be hearing from people born after that date. So if you're born between 1955 and 1959, your normal retirement age is going to be somewhere between 66 and 67, and it changes by a few months based on the particular year that you were born in within that bracket. Now, if you were born in 1960 or after, your retirement age is 67. So why does this matter? Well, the obvious point is because you want to know how long you'll be getting benefits before and what kind of planning you need to do to make sure you have money for when the LTD stops. But also, when we go to litigation, we have to assign a value to your claim because often these companies want to settle. They don't want to just put you back on benefits. They want to give you a portion of what they owe you, and knowing when your policy ends helps us come up with that calculation so we can advise you on what's the best decision for you to make. Not me. I can help you make that decision, and I can tell you what I think's right. But at the end of the day, it's you. So the more information that I can give you, the more confident you're going to feel when you do have to make that decision about your claim. If you have any questions about how long you think your policy is going to pay, just give me a call, send me an email, and I'm glad to take a look at your policy and help you find that answer. Thank you for watching.